America runs on trucking. Every day, professional drivers safely move the goods that keep our country running. Behind every truck on the road is a driver trained to operate safely, follow regulations, and deliver with confidence. But right now, the industry needs thousands of new drivers, and that means opportunity for people ready to start a better career. At 160 Driving Academy, we help everyday people train in just 4 weeks for their commercial driver's license or CDL and launch a career in trucking in any one of our nationwide locations. You don't need previous experience. You need to be at least 18 years old with a valid driver's license, be able to pass drug testing, and have the motivation to learn and start something new. For many students, financial aid or local and government-funded tuition assistance options such as WIOA, which is a Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act program, may be available to help make training affordable. And if paying up front, we have convenient payment options to choose from to help manage tuition costs. Our flexible CDL training hours combine classroom instruction with real hands-on driving experience, guided by our team of over 350 highly trained, experienced instructors who understand the industry and what it takes to succeed. At 160 Driving Academy, safety and compliance are the foundation of everything we teach. Our CDL training programs are designed to prepare you not just to pass the exam, but to become a professional commercial licensed driver who understands the responsibility of the road. Once you earn your CDL, a world of opportunities opens up, earning competitive pay and benefits while allowing you to grow in the transportation industry. 160 Driving Academy has job placement assistance services fueled by partnerships with today's top trucking companies who are looking for both entry-level graduates and experienced drivers. Some drivers choose over-the-road careers, traveling the country and seeing new places. Others prefer local or regional routes, allowing them to stay closer to home while building a stable career. The choice is yours. Ready to start a career that keeps America moving? It starts with the right training. 160 Driving Academy. Your road to a CDL and a new career starts here.